thing is in here. I just hold it.
So.
The first exercise is gonna be so simple. This is how you breathe in the water, and this is how you push it out. If you ever took a yoga class, they show you how to breathe on the core, on the stomach, right? And then the lungs. So what happens is your lungs, they get full of air. That's why you float easy. So your first exercise is gonna be so simple. Hands open, legs open, and that will help you a lot because your body, wherever there is blood in your body, there is gonna be air, there is gonna be oxygen, right? So when you inhale, you have oxygen in here too, and your legs. So that's why your whole body floats, because we have blood and the oxygen travel all over. Wherever there is a cell, if you don't have oxygen in the cells, they die. So we're just gonna take a deep breath and look at how relaxed I want you to be. Can get that on the water. That's good. All right. I want you to take a deep breath and just play with the fish. You have thousands of fish around you. Just enjoy what is around you, you know? That was really good, really good. I saw water coming to your nose, right? You want to make sure that you're full relaxed in the water. And that would be the main focus for today. Now, do you feel your body going down or you stay up all the time?
A little bit. I mean, I felt it coming down a little bit, but for the most part, I think I was buoyant.
When did you feel your body was coming down?
I wasn't conscious if I was doing something that made the body come down, or whether it was just.
Okay. I can tell you when you exhale, your body goes down.
Okay.
So that's the second exercise for the day. I want you to be relaxed, just like you were right now, and I want you to exhale. Go. Look at her. You see?
Yep.
I let all the air go. And your body's gonna sink for sure. Go. Do you feel it?
Yeah.
What this is telling you? The same thing I explained you about the buoy.
Right.
When you have air in your lungs, you stay up.
Okay.
If you don't have air, your body's gonna go down. So now, I think it's time to get you working your legs and your hips.
Okay.
We're gonna fit those two in one shot. Okay. And you're already gonna feel the difference right away.
Okay.
So I want you to take a deep breath. I want you to put your two hands up front. Give it to me. Your two hands. Just like that. Remember, you have oxygen in this finger, everywhere. So this is like if you were holding a buoy.
Right.
Pretty much.
Okay.
With your own arms and legs. And I want you to just kick. Let's go that way. Like, look, put your legs straight,
Yeah.
and you just kick.
Okay.
I'm gonna show